As we age, our hands often lose volume, leading to a thinner, veiny appearance. The breakdown of collagen, elastin, and fat beneath the skin can contribute to this effect. However, there are several effective methods to restore youthful fullness and improve skin quality. Dryness and sun exposure are primary causes of aging hands. Regularly apply a rich hand cream containing hyaluronic acid or shea butter to lock in moisture. Additionally, protect your hands daily with a broad-spectrum SPF 30+ to prevent age spots and further collagen breakdown. Dermal fillers, such as hyaluronic acid like Juvederm or calcium hydroxylapatite, known as Radiesse, can restore lost volume in the hands. These injectables fill in hollow areas, smooth wrinkles, and plump the skin. Results last 6 to 18 months and provide immediate improvement. Microneedling is a non-invasive treatment that helps stimulate the skin's natural healing process. By creating tiny, controlled channels in the skin, it encourages collagen and elastin production, improving skin thickness, firmness, and texture. When combined with platelet-rich plasma, PRP, a treatment that uses your body's natural growth factors, it can accelerate the rejuvenation process, helping to smooth fine lines and restore youthful volume. Topical treatments like retinol and peptides help thicken the skin and improve elasticity. Apply these at night to restore firmness and reduce wrinkles, followed by a hydrating hand cream to lock in moisture. Regular nail care and cuticle oil can enhance the appearance of your hands. Keeping nails neat and using neutral or light-colored polish can give your hands a polished, youthful look. By combining these treatments and daily habits, you can restore the volume, hydration, and smoothness of your hands, leaving them looking rejuvenated and youthful.